In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Copilot Pro for your Microsoft Office 365 and how to use this feature in your Excel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. To start, we need to access our account to add Copilot Pro to our Microsoft 365. And this is the account detail. Or if you have a screen like this, you can hover to your right corner and click on your account profile. Now click on your account link, and that opens your account and subscription information. Click on Try Copilot Pro. This takes you to the plan pricing. It gives you 30 days free trial and you can cancel at any time. And it gives you a lot of options. When you join Copilot Pro, it gives you so many different options for you to try out. It shows you actually what you can do with Copilot Pro in different scenarios, from telling compelling stories, maximize your learning, and get organized. There are tons you can do with Microsoft Copilot Pro. Before we join, I want to show you something. There's another version of Copilot on GitHub website, which is designed mostly for developers and coders. If you search for GitHub Copilot, it will take you to a screen like this. And if you scroll down, you will see that this is designed mostly for developers. And if you scroll down, you'll see plans starting at $10, $19, and $39. Individual, business, and enterprise. And it may not be as friendly as Copilot Pro for Microsoft Office 365. So let's take a look. It says GitHub Copilot and Microsoft Copilot are both AI-powered tools that offer suggestions and auto completion, but they have different purposes, support applications, and ways of interacting with users. It says GitHub Copilot is designed for coding, while Microsoft Copilot is for general productivity. Let's click to join Microsoft Copilot Pro. After the payment has been processed, you will get this screen here that tells you welcome to Copilot Pro. All we're going to do here is going to close the screen, and we're going to go back to the next screen that shows we joined Microsoft Copilot Pro. We're going to close this screen here and go back to Microsoft Excel. Go ahead and click on Microsoft Excel icon. Make sure we are in Excel and click on Create New Workbook. Here's our workbook, and on the right we're going to see Microsoft Copilot Pro installed. If you click on it, the first thing it's going to ask you is to enable the autosave. That's how it's going to be able to work with Copilot Pro, and ask you to name your workbook. Click on Got It. Look to your right pane and you see Copilot menu open up. Now let's add some data. Over here we have a data set that shows date and feedback information from a restaurant called ABC Restaurant. We pull this information and we import it into worksheet here to work with Microsoft Copilot Pro here. And we want Microsoft Copilot Pro to tell us exactly how we can find the insights about this feedback. So we click on Microsoft Copilot Pro, it opens up, and we're going to type in the information we need. These are the feedbacks customer left on the website for the ABC restaurant. And we need to get the insights of the entire data here, and let's see what Copilot Pro can bring for us. We're going to type in summarize the feedback. It's going to start thinking, is doing its own updating, and is making the data ready for us. It's now analyzing the information and is going to show us the results. It says the feedback includes positive comments like amazing vegan options, very inclusive. And also up here shows us the date chart. It gives you the option to add this to a new sheet, or if you scroll down here, it just gives you the negative part of it too. It says the negative ones like portions were too small for the price. You may also copy the results. It also gives you a couple of suggested commands to choose from. Now let's type in summarize important recommendation. It's working on it. And once it's done, this is understanding your data, analyzing the rows and columns, finishing up. And here are the recommendations. The positive feedbacks were like including excellent food and service, friendly staff, and a warm and inviting atmosphere. And it says recommendation for improvement. Several reviews suggested that improvements such as cold coffee, lukewarm soup, overcooked steak, and here they praise the design and the music. And here we got exceptional customer service, attentive staff, fast service. Under popular menu items, they like the pizza, appetizers, and a nice selection of wines and cocktails. You may also copy the results. Now we're going to type down here to get more information. Give me the insights. It will be a few seconds before it gives you the results. Copilot created a little chart here for us, which we can easily add this to our sheet. This should be an option here. Down here says add to a new sheet. If you click on it, it's going to start working. It says inserting content, and it's going to put that chart into a different sheet. As you can see here, we got the chart, which we can drag and resize. And we also have the little pivot table on the left hand side of the screen, which will let us filter the information. The information that we have here, we have also the pivot table and the chart, which you can send to your boss. Over here, we have a data set for ABC Automotive, and we have the payroll information, the salary information, when they hired, and how much they make. We can import this data using the Power Query right here, or we can actually go ahead and click on Load Data. We're just going to load it. The data is being imported into our sheet, and here's our data set that we need to have Microsoft Copilot to analyze for us. So for that, we need to go to our home screen here, and we're going to click on Microsoft Copilot. Copilot is loading, and here's the main menu for Copilot. Let's type in show me insights. The result is back, and it's showing us the grid for salary by department. You can also add it to your sheet. It shows average salary by department, includes $68,032.14 for a body shop and $60,641 for transmission. Now click on Can I see another insight? And it gives you more charts. And this is the chart they produced. We can add it to the sheet here, or we can go down here and it says add all insights to grid. So is inserting all the information it can create into a sheet, plus it creates a pivot table for it. Here's the first chart, and we're going to get the next ones. Yep, we got the rest of the charts here, and these charts are the insights we ask the Microsoft Copilot to produce for us by department, by salary, and by performance, and so on. And if you scroll down, you see the pivot table it created. We're just going to scroll down here, and we can see that there are pivot tables. You can select any criteria you want to be included or not, and this is such a beautiful report that you can create for your department or for your company, for your boss, whoever is asking to analyze the data for you. We can basically create this at no time. And if you look at the sheets down here, you can see the information here that was created. from the dataset. You have a nice flow of charts here, and you have the pivot table at the same time that you can print or you can email to your department. But wait, before you do that, let me show you another trick. If you scroll to your right hand side, if you scroll up your Copilot, there is an option for formula, and that suggests what Copilot can do to enhance this report. It's going to give you a suggestion. It's going to tell you, I'm working on a suggestion for you, and once the result is out, it will tell you what column is going to be suggested. It came back with years of service column. We can add this to our sheet. Go ahead and select insert column, and voila, the column has been inserted into our data set. It simply has calculated the hire date and came up with the column that shows years of service. And this makes it so much easier when you're creating a report and getting any help from Microsoft Copilot. If you look to your right pane, Microsoft Copilot menu, there are so many options that you can explore and practice, and we will get to those details in the next videos. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.